CGI can make you a god with like a small letter G. I use it almost every day in my life. Personally, couldn't live without it. CGI stands for computer generated imagery. Keyword generated, not edited, generated. Which means that we can literally create worlds, from Star Wars to Toy Story to this masterpiece created by Ian Hubert, a YouTuber, during 2020. Remember, we couldn't even leave our houses, and he literally built his own world from this piece of metal. But I'm gonna slow it down. It doesn't always have to be that crazy, right? We're gonna use John Wick as an example going forward. So in this scene where they're throwing knives at each other, all those knives are CGI. The breaking glass, CGI, and the axe that gets thrown into this guy's head, CGI. There's a scene where his dog poops or pooped. The poop was CGI because nobody should be able to poop on cue, or should have to. There was that Johnny Depp movie from a long time ago, Dark Shadows. The vampires don't blink in the movie. Obviously, an actor can't do that, so CGI helped them keep their eyes open and make them creepier. I think there's something about humans noticing things subconsciously and feeling uncomfortable even though they don't consciously know it. Okay, so this is how it works. We use these programs called 3D programs in order to build, usually people, environments, objects, or simulate water, fire, smoke, liquids, gases, particles, basically anything we want. After that, we shape them and texture them so that they can have the materials that they would have in the real world. After that comes lighting. We mimic the lighting in the real world. So if it's daytime, the object of the person would be lit by a virtual sun. If it's nighttime and the object is in the street, we have street lamps to light the object so that it can match the real world lighting. That way the audience can tell between what's real and what's not. After that, we process all that building, simulating, and lighting into an actual image or a series of images if you're working with a video. This process is called rendering. Don't worry, that was the last thing. No more crazy information. The benefits of CGI. Sometimes it's cheaper to do things in a computer than in real life. Like if I personally want to blow up a car, I don't have money to buy a car to blow up. It's just cheaper for me to do it in the computer. 2, safer for actors. Unless you're Tom Cruise or Jackie Chan, I advise you use virtual stunt doubles for your jumping off building scenes or getting crashed by car scenes or stuff like that, the dangerous stuff. The 3rd thing I can think of is control. If you shatter something like a cup, there's no way for you to predict where the pieces are gonna go. But if I made a CGI cup and I shattered it, I could tell the pieces where to go. Every single one of them, and that's what makes CGI great. I really want to thank you for listening to my TED Talk. I speak really fast because I want to make 5-minute videos. But thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.